Hi everybody. Today we will discuss about the free electron model. So the electrons movement, how it will be move one place to another place, because electron movements only the electron flow will be happen. So flow in the sense that automatically positive and negative is there. So depend upon the external sources or external forces, so automatically the movement of electron will be possible. So mainly the free electron model. I have the electron theory. The solids aims to explain the structures and the properties of solid state through the electronic structure. So the electron, they have the theory of solid state have been developed in the three main stages. Mainly the classical free electron theory, having it's developed in the year of 19,000. The Lorentz developed in the year of 1900. According to this theory, the metals containing the free electrons and obey the laws of classical mechanism. And second one is the quantum free electron theory, introduced in the year of 1928. That Sommerfield developed in the year of 1928. According to this theory, the free electrons obey the quantum laws. So what the laws is having the quantum laws will be obeyed. The third theory, the zone theory, having introduced in 1928, developed in the Bloch started. So this theory states that the free electrons move in a periodic field provided by the lattice, provided by the lattice. This theory is also called as a band theory of solids. This is the important three parameters. So the free electrons model, the, the classical free electron theory having the metals, due to the Lord's theory of metals, in the atom of electrons is revolved around the nucleus and the metal. It is composed such as atoms. The value of electrons of atoms and the free move from one place to another place, while the volume goes the metal like a molecules and a perfect gas container. So those electrons is volumes, electron from the atoms give the piece of metal, and from the electron gases. It's free to move when through the volume, throughout the volume. The maximum, the free electrons model having those free electrons move random direction and collide. They either positive ions fixed to the lattice or free electrons. All the collisions are elastic natures. That was the loss of energy. There is no loss of energy. So the movements of free electrons obey the laws of the classical kinetic theory. Example, the electron's velocities in a metal obey the classical Maxwell-Boltzmann's constants of velocities. So and also the electrons move from the complexity uniform, the potential fluid due to the ions fixed in the lattice. When the electronic field is applied to the metal, the free electrons are accelerated in the directions opposite to the direction applied in the electronic field mainly. The free electrons model having the success of classical free electrons, which may be verifies the Ohm's law and also explain the electrical and the theoretical, that's electrical and the thermal conductivity of the metals, and also it's a Weidmann Franz laws, that is the relation between the electrical conductivity and the thermal conductivity, and also explain optical properties of metals. These are all the free electron successful classification of free electron theory mainly. Drawbacks of classification of free electron theory: the phenomena such as a photoelectric field, the component of effect Bloch body radiations could be explained by the classical free electron theory. According to this classification of free electrons theory, the volume of the specific height and the metals is given 4.5 U in the universal gas constants, whereas the experimental values is nearly equal to the 3 RUs. According to this theory, the value of the electronic specific heat is equal to the value of values is 0.1 RU. And also, the electrical conductivity of the semiconductor or insulator is couldn't be explained using this model. So the constant Weidmann's Franz laws, according to the classical free electrons theory, it's not a constant, it's a low temperature. And also the fragmentations could not be couldn't be explained by the theory. The theoretical values is prominent susceptibility and is greater than the experimental volumes. The mean free path, the average distance is traveled by the electrons' conductance from the successive collisions inside the material, and presence in the upright the field is known as free path. And also relaxation time, the time taken the electron to reach the equilibrium position of the distributed, and also the presence of electric field is called as a relaxation time. Drift velocity, it is the presence of electric field. In addition, random velocity is the additional net velocity associated with the electrons is called as a drift velocity. Quantum free electron theory is having, according to the quantum free, the free electrons energy from free electrons is given by the Cn is equal to N2H2 by 8 milli 2. According to that quantum theory, the free electrons is electrically conducted given by 12 into N into E of 2m by m. Thank you.